Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back. I'm Scott and this is Bean Creek Woodworks. We're on the mill today again, sawing some more of that cherry. Remember last week we sawed a little black cherry. This week we're going to saw some wild cherry. So at the end we'll compare the two and see if there's any difference in what they look like. And these are from our logging guys we got from our pile up in the yard. If you're not new here, we bought some logs from loggers that cleaned out fence rows along the fields around here. So we have a whole bunch of nice logs, not so nice logs, and I'm going through and picking out a few the straighter ones and putting them on my mill here and sawing them up. So today, wild cherry. Let's take a look at it. Alright, well here it is. 13 inches on this end. It's got a bell on that end. I'm thinking this might have been the butt log, but that end's about 15 and a half. So there it is, a little closer. I thought it was maple, but I looked at it a little harder. Now I use an app, and that app is telling me wild cherry. So you guys tell me in the comments down below, but I'm calling it wild cherry. So let's get her cut open and see what we got. Hey, what's up?
How we doing? I'm Jason. I live like a quarter mile down the road.
Alright.
How we doing?
Not bad. Alright guys, well, tell me what you think. Pretty open grain there, I think, but yeah, I don't know. Pretty good looking wood. And I think we're done for today. Look at this. I broke my throttle cable. I don't have another one. Looks like I ought to get in here with a leaf blower and clean that engine off anyways, but yeah. I'm gonna tear it apart and confirm, but yeah. We'll take a look at what else we got done today. Here's some more of that black cherry I sawed up. I sawed this up earlier, didn't film it, but yeah. I guess that's as far as we go today, guys. It's gonna be a short video. We'll get on the old Frontier site and get one of these ordered right away and get one coming so we can carry on. So yeah. Alright, well guys, I took and pulled the cable off, and sure enough it broke. So I'll have to go in and get on the Frontier Facebook site and see what's up, if I can get one local here, and check Amazon, and if not, I'm gonna have to get a hold of Frontier and order a new one. So there you go, guys. Down and out. What can I say? These are finicky units, I guess, and stuff like this is gonna happen. We better start getting me some spare parts around here, I guess. So anyhow, till next time, guys, I appreciate you, and we'll catch you on the next one.